Schöckl is a picturesque 4,741-foot mountain crest that stands glad for the scene encompassing Graz, Austria, not a long way from the Magna Steyr get-together plant where the Mercedes-Benz G-class SUV is still to a great extent hand-worked under contract for the three-pointed star. That will remain the case after the main all-new G-class in very nearly 40 years debuts at the 2018 Detroit Automobile Expo. A hotspot for climbers and mountain bikers, the Schöckl's hugeness to the auto world lies in the 3.5 miles of shake-strewn goatways that chop down its flanks and over the bend landing area street that prompts its summit. This is the otherworldly home of the ndewagen, which, notwithstanding its propelled age and elegant sticker price, stays one of the world's principal creation 4x4 junkies. Furthermore, to soothe any worries that its specialists have become delicate from many years of updating a similar old military apparatus for use by all around obeyed regular folks, Mercedes welcomed us to lash in for a sea ride down the Schöckl in the primary G-wagen intended for the 21st century. While more noteworthy refinement and on-street drivability were the essential objectives for the new 2019 G-class, singular test jockeys additionally needed to survive more than 1,200 improvement miles on this Austrian Rubicon before getting the green light. Unfortunately, we weren't permitted in the driver's seat, and the length of asphalt we canvassed while riding in gently covered G550 models could be estimated in feet. Be that as it may, this is as yet critical stuff, with the G-class ability here reinforcing its sex factor as a refreshingly crazy redirection from the SUV standard. Mercedes still can't seem to discharge full points of interest and specs, however we realize that for all intents and purposes the whole G-class bundle is new, down to its stiffer, completely boxed step outline created from the steel. However, so nearly do the new truck's extents hold fast to the firsts that exclusive very close. Do you see that it has grown 2.1 inches longer and 2.5 inches more extensive, with an extra 1.6 creeps between the axles, little numbers that outcome in a remarkably roomier and more usable lodge, especially for raised situate riders. Bigger plate brakes front and back require that passage-level G550s where no less than 18-inch wheels. 20s likewise will be accessible, with the elite Mercedes-AMG G63 rendition anticipated that would move on 22 inches and pick up the vertically slatted Panamericana grille that is spreading over the sub-brand's lineup. On account of more astute building and the utilization of lightweight materials, for example, aluminum for the hood and entryways, Mercedes says that check weights should descend by around 300 pounds as opposed to existing models, which in our testing have weighed about 6,000 pounds.